Olive latticed rolls. Latticed dough filled with kalamata olives topped with nigella seeds. Welcome to Aisha's Lavender Kitchen. If you love olives, let's start. 250 ml of warm milk, 1 cup, and 15 grams of dried yeast. ,300 grams of yoghurt, 1 cup, half a cup of olive oil, 125 ml. Incorporate all the wet ingredients. 1 teaspoon of salt. Slowly add in 900 grams, 5 cups of flour. Using a spatula or wooden spoon, incorporate your ingredients. Now add the remaining flour. Remove your spatula and knead your dough 5 to 8 minutes. If the dough starts sticking to your hand and it gets difficult to knead, wash your hands and grease your hands with olive oil, then continue kneading. Now form your dough into a ball. Then place back into the bowl and cover the top. Allow your dough to rest 1.5 hours or until doubled in size. After 1.5 to 2 hours, my dough has beautifully risen. Now bring the dough back together. To prevent your dough from sticking, grease your worktop and remove your dough from the bowl. Form your dough into a ball. And cut into 10 equal pieces. Now form each dough into small balls. Cover your doughs and allow them to rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Take a dough and place on a greased worktop. With your hands you can easily spread the dough out. You won't be needing a rolling pin. Using a lattice dough cutter, cut top half of your dough. Place 10 to 12 pitted kalamata olives. You can always use different type of olives. I prefer kalamata olives. It doesn't dry up as much as the other olives in the baking process. Holding the bottom end and keeping the olives in place, roll the pastry upwards. Then place on the oven tray. Go ahead and complete all the doughs. If at any point the dough starts sticking to the worktop or your hands, go ahead and grease with olive oil. If you don't have a lattice cutter, you can use a pizza cutter instead, it works perfectly. Now leave your olive latticed rolls on the tray to rest 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, using 1 egg, brush all your rolls. Meantime, make sure your oven is preheated at 190 degrees. Sprinkle some nigella seeds across. If you don't like nigella seeds, you can use sesame seeds or leave plain. Now bake for 25 minutes or until golden in colour. Kalamata olive latticed rolls. Wonderful olive smell wrapped around the perfect bread and jazzed up with nigella seeds. If you enjoyed watching my video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. Hope to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.